Okay, fine.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
How to do that installation? I have a document. I will send the document to you also. Refer the document, follow the
Okay.
steps. That's it only. Very simple. Each and every installation, the software is in their link. Now that link is blinking, right?
Yes.
Okay, come. Very good. Fine. Now, what is the first point? Laptop will require 4 GB RAM. Laptop will require 4 GB RAM. How to go said how to check your laptop is 4 GB or 6 GB or 8 GB. Some laptops are 2 GB, 4 GB, 6, 8, 12, 16 GB. 16 GB laptops are awesome, right?
Yeah, I see.
Right.
Okay. Where is how to check that your laptop, how much of the GB, what is the details of that? Go to the this PC. This PC. My screen is visible, right?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Go to this PC, right click properties. Go to this PC, right click properties. This is my laptop details. Check your laptop details also. Check your laptop details also. This is a device name. This is a processor, 11th generation processor. And 8 GB, minimum 4 GB required. RAM minimum 4 GB required. For running the Talent software, run to that fast, minimum 4 GB required. Okay?
Okay.
Minimum 4 GB
Okay.
required. This is a 8 GB laptop. Minimum 4 GB required and 64-bit operating system. 64-bit operating system. 32 bits already it's gone. Mostly very less of that in present. Maybe your cousins are your elders are your cousins, maybe. I think so. Okay. 64-bit is operating system need. 32 also enough. I will provide the software for you. 32-bit of software and 64-bit of software. Your laptop will have that require 64-bit. You're installed a 64-bit software, right? Okay. Your laptop have the 32 bits and install the 32 bits of software. Like for example, Oracle database. Oracle database have the 32 bit of software and 64 bits of operating system software. Whichever what you do, you have install the software. First check that for the laptop requires minimum 4 GB of the RAM. This is the process how to do. Once again, and close this window. Go to the this PC. Go to the this PC here also. It's not available. My God. This PC properties.
Recording in
Sometimes
progress.
some laptops here are able to see that desktop this PC option. So those people, sir, go to the my PC, this PC, my PC, and right click properties. Minimum is 4 GB required. If 6 GB, okay. 8 GB also it's run fastly. 16 GB is awesome. Now yeah, we are maintaining the 32 GB, 120 GB, 64 GB, right? Why not we are comfortable to that laptop? Okay, that is the first point. I will send the document also. What is the second? Right click my PC icon. It shows the RAM size. Okay. Based on this Talent software, require that 4 GB RAM. If you have this 4 GB RAM, purchase this another 2 GB, add the 2 GB. 4 GB requires also enough. And next point, here one Google Drive link, right? This is blinking. What's color? What is this color? Blue color. Just click that. Otherwise, copy this link, copy, Control plus C, copy, and go to the Google Chrome. Go to the Google Chrome, plus button, and paste it here. Control V, paste it. Then enter button. Now see that switch. This is a Talent software. Don't worry about that. These are the sessions of that 8 p.m. batches sessions. This is a Talent software. Double click this software. We'll open that all softwares. Okay. We'll open all. What do you do here? Again, I'm explain. I will provide this text document, installation document. What do you do? Copy this link, go to the Google Chrome, click the plus button, paste it, click the plus button, paste it, and double click this one. Okay, double click the talent software. We'll open the files. What is the first one? First one is your training files. First one is the training files, and second one and third one, and these are your practicing files and training files. And this is your project. This is your project. And JDK means Java Kit, Java Developer Kit. This is your Java software. These two, you have that 64, install it, you have that 86, you can. Okay. These are the, already you have the Java in your PC. How to uninstall and install. There it is, control panel. The control panel, all will be available. This is the Java. How to uninstall this one? Just uninstall. That's it only. Just click, right click, uninstall. Select, right click, uninstall. Okay, select, right click, uninstall. If you have already Java, okay, leave it. If it doesn't have that Java, and that is also not format of that 32 or 64 or whatever it is. I will share the Google Drive link also. Don't worry. Okay. Then next, what is it? This is a 2 or Java softwares. Then next, it is a Oracle database software. This is a Oracle database software. And this is SQL developer tool. SQL developer is a tool to interact the Oracle database, right? With interact the Oracle database, we want the SQL developer tool. This is a SQL developer tool. There are two versions are there here, 17.2 and 19.2. 17.2 and 19.2. If you will prefer that 19.2 document, not 19.2, you should prefer the 19.2 because this is the latest version. This is the latest version. And TOS BD. TOS means Talent Open Studio Big Data. TOS Talent Open Studio. BD means Big Data. This is a version. Here, 4 kinds of software will be available here. 4 kinds of the software will be available here. Talent Big Data, Talent Data Integration 6.2 version, and Talent Data Integration 7.1.1 version, and Talent Data Integration 7.3.1 version. Okay. In these 4, all files are downloaded. How to download that? Select here, go to the download option. Otherwise, download option, directly go to the download option. Go to one by one. Go to the download one by one. Otherwise, your internet speed is very high. What to do? Select all. Click here and download. But what happened here? We are at a time select all download option. If any internet corruption or power cuts happens or your internet is unstable, the software will not set properly, will not install properly. So my best suggestion is go to one by one. Click here, download, click here, download. Okay.
Okay.
I will the text also. Okay. Where is that? Okay. The end of the session, I will provide that text. What to do after that downloading? After downloading, what to do that? Extract the files. Extract the files. That is invisible. that is invisible. Okay. After downloading, what do? Extract the files. After downloading, all the files will come to that download section, right? After downloading, all the files will come to the downloading section, right? These are that. Yes, correct? After downloading, your all files are come to that download session. What do you
Right.
do? What do you do here? Where it will be set up the software, go to the this PC, go to the this PC, C drive. In your PC also have that partitions of the drive, C drive, D drive, E drive. Go to that C drive, go to C drive and create one folder here. How to create the folder? New folder, talent software. Talent software. After downloading, all your files, downloading files are come to that downloads folder. Come to the download folder. After downloading, what do? Go to the this PC, Windows C, and create one folder. Give the folder name is talent software, like this. Talent software. Talent software. Okay. All right. Talent software. Talent software. What do you do? After downloading these all files, cut and go to that this PC, C drive. Where is your talent software? This is your talent software. And paste. Cut and paste. Okay. Cut and paste. Understand? Cut and paste. Do all cut and paste. Do all
Okay.
cut and paste. This is the next step. After that, what do you do? After that, what do you do? Extract the files. Extract the files. How to extract the files? You know. Right click, extract all. Extract all. Okay. Extract all. Like all zip files, you should do that extracting. We'll remove this one because don't do multiple times. The software will install only one time process. Don't do that multiple times. Okay. Don't do that multiple times. If what happens if you are doing that again and again, the software cannot install properly. Software cannot install properly. Okay. What is the first step? Again, I'm repeating. Where is the document? This is the document. Copy this Google Drive link. Here I'm copy link and paste to that. Oh, that is also possible. Go to the chart. Okay. Copy the Google Drive link, then go to that, paste in the Google Chrome. Then what do? Download one by one. After downloads, your all downloads will come to that your PC downloads folder. Downloads folder. Then the next step is go to this PC, C drive, and create one folder here, like this or talent software. Create one folder here and go to here, paste it everything, and extract all. Extract all. After extracting, these are your files. These are your practice files. And here this is your Oracle database setup. Oracle database setup. Double click. Oracle database setup. Double click. Yeah, go to that. Yes, next. Okay. Click on yes. Then go to the next. Okay. That is what? And the next one is your practice files. These are 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 the practice files and folders. And then next, this is your project. I'll explain the project also. I'll give the project also. This is your I don't have any permissions, Saifuddin. Please once ask that administration Durgasoft only. Durgasoft have that permissions, have any permissions, Google Drive link permissions. I don't have such idea about that also, how to give that permissions. I have that link. Whatever link, I share it. Okay. SQL developer, here two versions, 17.2, 19.2. It's a better option. We'll go to the 17.2. Double click this one. Yeah, these are the supporting files of SQL developer. Just double click here. Open the Oracle database. Oracle database. Oracle database. Okay. Then we'll go to that. Unzip softwares. Install JDK. How to install the JDK? Just double click on it. That's it only. Just double click on it. That's it. How to install JDK? Where is the JDK files? Here the JDK files. Just double click. It's automatically installed. After downloading, go to that download section. Just double click. It's automatically installed. Then next, what is the next step? Unzip up all software. Install. How to install it? We'll go to the better option. Here there is two files. Install Oracle. Install the Oracle. While installing the Oracle, it will ask that password. It will ask user ID and password. And before going to that, before going here, the set user ID. Set password. So set password is manager. Enter the password also manager. These are passwords. This is your password. And after installing the Oracle database, go to the command prompt. How to go to the command prompt? Here, search bar, type the command prompt. Command prompt. And type here SQL plus. SQL PLUS. SQL plus. Enter. What is the username? Username is system. SYSTEM. Username is system. Enter. Password. While I'm typing, it's unable to display that password. But password is manager. 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 Enter. Your database is ready. 11th generation of database is ready. 64-bit production and 11th generation of database is ready. Okay. Okay. Then next go to that SQL developer 17.2. Don't go at 17.2. It's better. 19.2 is better. 19.2 is better. Where it is 19.2? Here downloads. SQL developer. This is a SQL developer 19.2. This is your download session. SQL developer 19.2. Double click and double click this one. Directly double click one. Already it's automatically open. Once it's open, ask that passwords. I have already that. Close the previous one. Now open the database. First time. The installations do one time only. Don't repeat again and again. Don't repeat again and again. Plus option. Plus option. Plus option. Create the connections. Create the connection. SQL is a tool. SQL developer is a tool. We are interacting the database. How to interact the database? Here, plus option. Give the database name. Here already I have one database, Oracle _ dev. Give that Oracle local. Give the name of the database. Give the name of the database. Then username. What is the username? In command prompt. What will give that username in command prompt? System, right? SYSTEM. System. And what will give in that
Manager.
command prompt? Manager. And all small letters only. MANAGER. Manager. Host name is localhost. Port is 1521. And SID is XE. XE means executable. XE means executable. Executable. Service name also XE. Then test the connection will success or not. If you are facing any error, also solve the errors. Status is success, right? You are able to see status is success. Are you able to see status is success?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
next save. Then next save. How to? In what step we are follows? Just blindly. For the first step is click the plus option. First step is click the plus option. And then next give the name of the database. Then next give the name of the database. Then next here username. Username is system. Password is manager. And it's by default here host name is localhost. These are the credentials of this database. Port 1521 and SID XE. XE means it's executable database. Service name also XE. It's executable database. And then next after that test the connection. Test the connection. Test it. Then next save. Save. Then next connect. Connect. After connecting, asking the password. Give the password is MANAGER. Then okay, enter. Here. This is a Oracle local, right? This is the Oracle local. This is the database. Here we will type that our queries. Here we will type the queries. Select star from whatever we are writing the queries. Here we are writing the queries. Then come to that. What is the next point? If the connection is failure, if the connection is hard, have that any expiry date. The connections, Oracle database also have the expiry date. Like every 6 months once connections give the connection, or 2 years once, 3 years once. If the previous connection is failure, again I will give that one more connection to you. Same system. Password is manager1. Password is manager1. Okay. Then next come to that. Click to test and should get the success. After click on the next. Okay. Then next go to that unzip folder, talent database, talent TOSBD. Unzip this folder. What will happen? close that everything. Where is our downloading files? Here downloads. Go to the downloads. Don't go to the downloads. Why? Because of we are already create one folder in Windows C. Create one folder in Windows C. Go to that here only. Don't go to the downloads and again. The software cannot work. The software can install only one drive only. In C drive only. The software cannot install two more drives. If what happens, we are install the two more drives, you are facing the errors. And whatever you are facing that while installing, I will create a WhatsApp group also for you and post that your errors in some WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay.
This is unzip. While extracting, after extracting, this unzip. Just double click. Just double click. Only one-time installation. Installation is a one-time installation. Don't go to that again and again. I'm explaining again and so. And here, create the projects. Create the project. These are my existing projects, our previous classes projects. Create projects. First time you have that local project. Remove that local project. Whatever you are doing, remove that local project and create the new project. Create the new project. What will give name here? That name also in this. Whatever the name, every name is it's fine. Like these are the names, example, MNMS or CCID or whatever the MasterCard or Visa card or that ICICI Bank or we'll give that HDFC Bank. Because mostly it's working on the banks only. We'll give the HDFC Bank. This is a 9 p.m. Don't give the spaces. Click on create project, create new project. Don't click on the import demo project and importing exe. It's not working. Only the working is in real time also same. But in real time, you are not installing anyone. That everyone is installing their talent administrator. In the each and every company have that talent administrators. Whatever the softwares you need for this talent, they will install it. They will install it. Okay. Create project. Create. Then next finish. This is our project. Finish. Okay. Finish. After that, Talent Studio, it's open. Talent Open Studio for big data. Talent Open Studio for big data. Installing, it's taking 3-4 minutes of the time. And I'm again repeating and repeating. And close this one. Don't create account. Close this one. Most of the students are facing the same issue. Close this account and double click here. Maximize it. Start now. Start now. Start now. This is your software. This is your Talent Studio. Talent Studio software. Talent Open Studio for big data. This is a open source version is 6.4.1, but now all the companies are using that 7.3.1. 7.3.1. The first interview question. The first interview question is, and please go to the Google Docs.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, actually, ma'am, I am to facing install to studio actually Talent Studio. Okay, and also I am to create one
Project
and
also.
project also. But actually, when I will be to migrate data, okay, one file to another file. So this time actually I'm facing issue. So after to class, okay. So yeah, can I share my screens?
Once, okay, share your screen. I will give that chance.
Okay, sure, ma'am. Yeah, can you give me permission?
I give the permission to you.
Yeah, it's yeah, ma'am. It says to visible, ma'am.
No.
It's not visible.
No.
Yeah, all
This is my screen.
okay. Yeah, ma'am. This one. So yeah, and after
I'm
that
not visible to your
installs.
screen. Saifuddin, I'm not visible to your screen. Sorry. Unable to visible. Anyone
Okay,
visible
ma'am.
the screen in this class? Anjan, Satish, and
No,
Sushant.
not visible. Your screen only visible.
Yes, ma'am, it
Okay,
is
ma'am.
visible.
Okay,
Saifuddin
again
screen is
I'll
visible.
Yeah, now it is gone. Actually, another pop-up is came in the left side. Just
yeah, no, it is too visible. Yeah, already I have to share this screens.
yeah, now I can see that.
Command prompt. Where is your screen? Your screen
Yeah.
not visible.
It is not visible, ma'am.
No. I'm not unable to visible your screen.
I can see the screen.
Okay.
But I cannot see this.
Okay. Others members are to visible and a host members. Okay.
I cannot see. You are following the same steps, Saifuddin?
Yeah, same system. Actually, I have to install to before before 5 days ago. So actually, my to company purpose. Okay. And and after that to file transfer. So this time actually I'm to okay facing issue.
Okay, maybe supporting files are unable to read. Supporting files also important for this Talent Studio. These are the supporting files. Once check the supporting files, about files, configuration, features, P2 plugins, temp, workspace. These are very important. Without supporting files, the jobs cannot execute. Saifuddin. That is the major first point.
Okay.
If any supporting files also missing, you are unable to execute the job. These are the supporting files of the studio.
Okay, and yeah, ma'am, and also I have to create one jobs and also file and input file. I have to define locations and also
Okay,
yeah, ma'am.
I will create. Now we'll see that how to create the file, how to fetch the file in Talent.
Okay.
Okay, these are that inbuilt. See, all of you who are that beginners. This is that your Talent Studio. Okay, follow the steps, Saifuddin, you also.
Yeah,
Now,
ma'am, sure.
clarify your doubts also. These are that tool. So by default tool, you complete your work based on that 80 to 90% of your time spent on this tool. The first one is version of the Talent tool. Talent Open Studio for Big Data 6.4.1. It's open source. 2017 2017-06-23 means 2017-06-23. It's released the talent company for the open studio purpose, open source purpose. And this is a code of this tool, like port numbers, like port number 1521. Oracle database have that 1521 port number. No? Here also same, this is a port number. This is our project. This is our project. We are creating the project. Connection is local. Because we are running our jobs to your local PC, right? Here the connection is local. If you are running that remote purpose, they will set up with you. How to set up? You are confusing, but I'm explaining. Here we'll give that link, all that credentials will provide in pilot settings. But you are confusing, no need to that. Your talent administrator give that remote connection. All the credentials, the talent administration will give the remote connection. Then next, come to that second. This is a file, edit, window, help. This file have these options. I will explain each and every option. There is no Windows. I will explain what happens that in Windows also. How to help, how to use this help button also I will explain. Okay, this is the repository window, repository space. Repository means where we are save that all jobs, files, data, completes. The data is saved into that one place. The place is called repository. The place is called repository. This is the designer window. This is called a designer window. In the designer window, we are develop the jobs. We are design our jobs. And next, this is a code viewer, outline window, code viewer or outline window. And this window is configuration window. This window is configuration window. Configure the components. Configure the components. Job tab, context tab, component tab, run tab. These are the configuration window. And here the palette window. And right side is a palette window. Okay. Then next, how to fetch the file in Talent. How to fetch the file in Talent. And you received the file, you received the work over as mail, right? You received the file over as mail. Your team lead provided the work for you and you received the file. The team lead will give the file to you over as mail. You download the file, right? How to get the local PC to, how to get the file from local PC to. For example, I assume that guys, my files are located into this PC, C drive, Talent software, 12 AM. My files are located here, assume. Like the same, you are also assume your file is located into that. After downloading your file is, keep it here, like here. How to fetch the file into the Talent. This is the inbuilt options, business models, job designs, context, code, SQL templates, metadata. If there is greater than symbols are there, some options, code, greater than symbol means something is there inside. Greater than symbol means something is there inside. Now go to that. No need of this one. I will explain that also, but not here. Metadata. In this metadata, we have received the different kinds of the forms of files, like delimited files, positional files, XML files, Excel files, JSON files, how to create the files and how to fetch the files in whatever the format. These are the formats except the Talent. These are the formats except the Talent. But mostly Talent, the jobs will run fastly or accurately or correctly. Or mostly the customers and clients, the Talent Studio also, mostly CSV files are preferred. CSV files or text files. CSV means comma separated values files or text files. Okay, how to fetch the file? Select this one, right click, create file delimited. This option is very hard for you understanding. This option is very hard for you understanding because the talent is a user-defined talent, user-defined tool. Easily understand the options also. You can easily understand the option. Create file, delimited. Just create. Here there are 4 steps to create the file, to fetch the file into the talent. First step is give the file name. Give the file name. I'm giving the file name employee file. I'm giving the file employee file. Then next option here, browse the file. The second option is browse the file. Where is our file? Assume that my file is this PC, Windows C, Talent software. You're also install the software same like me. Then next go to here. Where is our file? Here, look at here. Only few files are able to see. Look at here. Star.csv means only CSV files can visible. Look at here. Comma separated value files. Comma separated value file. This is a comma separated value file. Star.csv means only CSV files are visible. Now here the 4 options. Star.txt means only text documents are visible. Only text documents are visible. Now star means all kind of the visible. It's a text file or XML file or CSV file. All kinds of the files are visible. We'll select that as of the best practices star. Now select our file. Where is our file? Open. Just select the file and open. Open. Okay. Before that, I'm open the file. This PC. Or go to the next step for easily understanding purpose. Open the file. Or this one. Right click. Notepad++. And also I forgot that one step. Where is that? Installation document. What is the last step? This is the last step. Install the Notepad++ direct from the website. Install Notepad++ direct from the website. How to do that? Just simple. Click here. Type Notepad++. Notepad++ download. Click here. Download the Notepad++. It's downloading. Okay. Download the Notepad++. Okay, fine. Employee. This is our file, right? This is our file. This file, employee number, employee name, salary, HRA, department number. These are the also called as the columns. These are all called as columns, or also called as attributes. Someone denotes the column, someone denotes the attributes, and someone denotes the fields. F-E-L-D, fields. First field, second field, third fields. And these are called as the rows, or also called as records. How many records? These are all called as rows and records. Rows are also called as records. These are columns, or also called as attributes, or also called as the fields. These are that, and one can Mahesh, this person, and the cell. These are data. This is called rows, or also called as records. Okay, records. Then next, I'm asking one question. Give that answer. Anyone making side? What is the delimiter here? Delimiter means, what is the meaning of delimiter? Separated.
Yeah, delimiter means
column.
Yeah.
Separated the 2 columns is called the delimiter.
Yes.
Separated the 2 columns is called the delimiter. What is the delimiter here? Which value is separated to the columns,
Yeah, and here also delimited to comma.
comma, right. Come
Yes.
to the talent.
And also there are two, yeah, and also I think 4 to 5 option is there, comma, semicolons, and also to colon. Here option is to available. Yeah.
You have idea, but what about that listen beginners? This is a go to the next. After fetching the file, this is the second step. Fetch the file. Go to the third step and look at
Ma'am,
here. Field
ma'am,
separator. Sorry.
ma'am, to please back and yeah, ma'am, and one option is their format. So here is actually okay, 3 option is there: Unix, Windows, and also to Mac. So which option I will be choose this? Yeah, ma'am, please back
Okay, we'll
back
explain.
back option.
Come back. Okay.
Okay.
Unix only.
Yeah.
Unix.
Yeah, actually here is okay okay
Unix.
okay, and Windows, and if I to use Windows
Windows
system,
Mac. It's not. We'll see. Okay. For as of you.
yes,
But
because
go to
my
the
system is, yeah.
Your system is supporting files also. The talent will supporting files also. Where is the supporting file? I'll already explain the supporting files. These are the supporting files. I explained that supporting files. That supporting files also need to that. I'll come back. Okay. Next. And here field separator. What is the field separator? By default is a semicolon. By default is a semicolon. And by our file field
Yeah,
separator
record
is comma.
to comma. Yeah.
Comma. Okay, it's a delimiter file. It's a delimiter file. Whatever that options is there, I will explain each and every option with examples and with real-time scenarios. Whatever the option is pop up here. What is the file settings and row skip and limit of rows and whatever that, I will explain each and every option. Okay. Now see, this file have the header, right? This file have header. Where is our file? This file have header. This is the first one is the not data. This is first one is the header. This first one is the header. This file have header. Come to the talent. Click the header. Refresh. Now, next. Talent automatically take care about that. What is the data types? Employee number is an integer. Employee numbers are denoted called as integer. In data basic, you have the database of knowledge that numericals are denotes as an integer. Like these are the data types. Talent can take care. Document, list, string, short, object, long, or different data types. Talent automatically care about that. What is the integer and what is the string? Integer can take only numeric values. String can take the numeric values and alphabets and special characters also. So employee name have that numeric, it's a characters. So column numeric value, HRA also numeric value, department also numeric value, and name is a department name is a value, alphabetical value, and location is a value. That location also have that special characters. You know the 13-55 by C divided by 3 or different characters are there in location. The talent automatically take care. Then the next step is provide the length. We'll give the length. You don't confuse about that how much we'll give that length in real time. The customer will provide that each and every, and we'll only design the job. That's it. Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Screen is visible? Oh, okay, fine.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
yes, ma'am.
visible.
Then increase the length value. Then next to finish. This is the how to fetch the file. Now how to give the DB connections. How to give the DB connection now? Here greater than symbol. Previously, here there is no greater than symbol. Now this is the file. Okay. Now what is the metadata? This is the meta columns have that we are. How to give the DB connections. Create connection. Here every give the connection. Give the connection. Oracle dev. Oracle dev. Then next, go to the next. Here DB type. The talent support is all of the DB types. The talent support all of these DB types. We are installing that Oracle with service name. Select this DB. Log. Local host. Server host. And key. Service name executable. Now check the connection. No need of the schema. Yes.
Your voice is break. So that's fine.
Now clear? Now check the connection. Yeah, Oracle Dev connection is successful. Okay. And go finish. That's it. Now design the job. Create job. Create job. Job underscore. Start from the job underscore. Employee. File to. Source system is file. Target system is database. Employee file to. Employee database. Employee table. Database means it's a table. Employee file to employee database. Okay, finished. Now pop up that all symbols, right? In before it's completely empty. Now pop up that all symbols. Fetch the file, designer window, just drag and drop. Click, drag and drop here. Here that I will explain each and every one. For as of now, take the T file input delimited. What is the meaning here? T file input delimited. T means talent. File. This is a file. It's not a database. File. Input source is input. Delimited file. It's a delimited file. Okay. T file input delimited. Here, look at here. T file input delimited. This is the details of the T file input detail. This is the details of the file. Where is the file? Our file is C drive talent software 12 AM folder. This row separator /n, field separator is comma. This is the details of the file. Okay, next. How to give the DB connection? DB connections. Drag and drop. T Oracle output. Output. We want that execute that output. T talent Oracle output. Now one-to-one jobs, simple jobs, simple one-to-one jobs. Row, main. This is the connection. And click on middle. Again repeating. Click on middle only. Don't click on that here. Don't click on here anywhere. Click on middle. Right click. Row, main, connection. Now configure this database. Everything is by default. You just give the table name. Table name. EMP. TABLE. EMP table. What is the today date? 5/09/2020. Okay. As of now, click this option. I will explain each and every option. What happens if select first option, second option, we are facing the errors and how to solve the errors. I will explain. As of now, this option now in the clear and run the job. We'll see it's executing or not. If you are facing any error, we are solving. Now the job is executing. Job ran successfully. Go to the database and copy the table name. Go to the database. Right, this is the database we are giving Oracle local, right? Select star from table name. Sometimes what happened, the job is run successfully in Talent, but records are, they're unable to fetch the records in database, but now fetch the records also. This is one-to-one job. Now say the Saifuddin, what is your doubt? In which phase you are facing the problem? Now,
Yeah,
in
ma'am.
my Talent software, my jobs run successfully.
Yeah, ma'am. Your okay, studio is to working fine, but my studio is working okay. Error, compile time error. Okay, Java compile time error. I'm facing actually. Okay, can I share in my screen?
Yeah, you share your screen.
Yeah.
So all settings are in that administration side.
Yep,
I don't have that settings. We'll give the
ma'am, you cannot start share screen while the other participant is sharing, ma'am. So please share. Yeah, ma'am. Please stop your to sharing screen. Okay. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah. Already I have to share this. It is to visible. Hello. Hello.
I'm audible. Your screen is blank, Saifuddin.
Yeah, ma'am. Already I have to share this screen, but why it is blurred?
Yes, it's visible now.
Yeah, ma'am. So first, okay, ma'am. First, okay, we have to create one file. Okay, file delimiter. Okay, and last.
Okay.
Okay, yesterday I have to create two files. One file is FBO KB data.
Okay.
Okay, and FBO KB data. Yeah, ma'am. This one. FBO KB data. This one. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, and also I have to create one job, ma'am, right? And this file, all data will be
fine.
to transfer T file output. But when will this run? But I, yeah, ma'am.
Wait.
Yeah, this issue will come. But
Okay, fine. Configure open this your T file output delimited component.
okay.
Double click the component. T file output delimited component. Component
Okay.
double click.
Okay.
No, the designer space the component. Double click this
Okay.
one. Okay, go to the advanced settings.
Okay.
This file have header.
Yeah, already here, ma'am.
Okay, go to the basic settings.
Yeah.
Select the header, include header. Select include header. The option is there. Include header. Last to second one. Last to second row.
Okay.
After append.
Okay.
Go to the advanced settings. Go to the advanced settings.
Okay.
Uncheck the last box. Throw an error if the file is already exists. Now run the job. They run the job. Clear and run the job. Fine. Exactly.
Okay, I check.
Double click. All the 10 rows are came from that input to output. In component. Your problem is solved?
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute, I will check it.
Check, you can check.
Yeah, ma'am, solve already.
Very simple jobs. First read at tomorrow what we will do that you're selecting each and every option, how to face the errors. I'm selecting the each and every option, how to face the errors, read the error and solve it the error. Tomorrow's that's a one-to-one jobs. One-to-one jobs. Okay, tomorrow our class.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am,
Okay.
yeah, ma'am, one question. So how and actually it is to working to real time. So I don't know. So that because
Yes,
to
same.
my man, yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Actually, because to my to TL, okay, said okay. So and you will be learn okay ETL, okay, and then you will be to transfer all data, and also to create okay. Yeah, ma'am, and also you will be to create data warehouse integration. So many concepts is there. So, but I don't know. So
Yes.
how it is.
How it
And
is happens in you
Hmm?
want what is happens in real time, right?
Yeah, real time.
And that happens of real time also same. I'm working on the real time. Same create the files as of you, what you are creating the file, and customer wants that what you want, and the customer provides for me in that file according to that file. It, I will take the components, transform the with the help of components, transform the data. Customer wants the file, we'll give that file, load into that file. Customer wants the database, I will load into the database. That's it only in the real time also. No
Okay,
need
ma'am.
to worry
And
about that. In real time, what happens? In training time, what happens? The training time, what you are learn in training, same options will be visible in the real time also. Same tool will be visible in the real time also.
okay, and ma'am, hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. And any concept is there to event listener event Kafka to related?
No need of that one. Why you need to that Kafka? That is that separate that one. Kafka,
No.
that's a separate. No, here no need of that. Only need enough talent with
No.
basic
My
SQL.
TL is said that okay. To my TL is to say that okay. So we'll be faced to data. Yeah, and will be to face to data or to record to from DB
They're using
through
Kafka
listen
database,
event.
maybe.
No, through Kafka to listen event. So this concept through okay. So that's why okay I'm asking that. So any concept is there to Kafka listen event?
Kafka, nothing. That only for here Oracle data warehouse concepts and the talent concepts and data warehouse dimension jobs, fact jobs, and SCD jobs, and also incremented load jobs will be available here in the talent joins. The concepts, buffer components, child job, parent jobs components. These topic contents available in this training.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, yeah, ma'am. And when will be to yeah, ma'am. And when will be to yeah, ma'am. And मैम इसमें क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में बात कर सकते हैं मैम?
And I am unable to understand that Hindi.
Okay,
No, English
yeah,
only.
okay. And ma'am, when I will to data will be transferred okay 1 DB to another DB. So any to loss to be data, any loss it
No
is
loss
to
the
possible.
data, no loss then. Everything you will perfect that from database to database.
Okay.
Hmm.
Because actually real-time DB, okay, there are around 35 around 35 crores to data is there, right?
Yes.
So yeah, so that's why I'm asking that. Actually,
No.
my to project food safety connector.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Food safety. Yeah, ma'am. एक्चुअली जो इसमें है ना फूड सेफ्टी स्टैंडर्ड अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया FSSAI
yes,
वो
yes.
हाँ इसमें वही मैं बोलते काम करते हूँ वहाँ पे, तो वही बोलते अभी बोलते माइग्रेशन होगा वो पूरा का पूरा।
हाँ,
तो
okay.
आपको
मैं काम करती हूँ on RBI database, RBI client. What I'm
या
saying.
RBI client.
My client is RBI, Reserve Bank of India. I'm working on the Reserve Bank
Okay.
of India.
Okay, so
You need.
actually, so ma'am, yeah, actually I'm to asking, so any to loss will be data, so
No loss, no loss. Everything will perfect
okay.
to that move to the database to database. You are using the one database or you are using multiple databases in the single designer window.
Main yeah ma'am, main to problem, okay, my to DB is actually monolithic, okay, only one DB is there and there are 15 schema is there and every schema is around 100 above yeah ma'am, and every schema and also average one schema is okay 350 is there, okay, table, and other schema is average 100 plus tables, okay, so around 650 table is there, and there is record is around 35 crores, okay, and also DB to distributed, and my target is every DB will contain only 15 to 20 yeah, so 15 to 20 TB. Okay, so 15 to 20 tables. So and every DB will be to connect through to warehouse, data warehouse, and also integrate. Then it will be yeah ma'am. Then it will be so yeah ma'am. Then it will be to UI. So it is very complex jobs. Okay, so yeah ma'am. So that's why I'm asking to you. So I don't know. So ma'am, how to create data warehouse and also data integration concept, and also I'll be to learning kindly.
Okay. You are learning the
Yeah.
data warehousing concepts also.
Yeah, this
But
topic
that
I'll be learning.
each and every database, see Saifuddin, each and every database have some structure and rules and regulations.
Yeah.
And we have that. I have idea about that thoroughly in Oracle database. What is the structure? What is the schema? How to follow that? I have that know about that Oracle structure. And the same structure follow the similarly in the each and every database. Your database using the monopolic database, right?
No. Monolithic structure they will be to follow. My to DB is actually PostgreSQL.
PostgreSQL. Okay.
Yeah, architecture. Yeah, architecture they will be to flow actually to monolithic, okay, not to microservice architecture follow, but it will be to migrate to microservice architecture, saga patterns, some things.
Okay,
so it is very complex job.
Very complex jobs. Migrating the database from one data, but mostly are using that only one database, or a Hive database or Oracle database. These are the well-known databases who are you are working on, I think, your startup company. They are using the open source database. PostgreSQL means, right?
Yeah, it is to open source, but actually they will be to EDB to key. Okay, so EDB key. Yeah. So it is cost effective. Obviously, central government. Okay, they will to finding okay less deep.
So that's why
many reason is there.
No. That's not only here. The Oracle concepts designs only available here in this training. No need of that much complex of that design, and no one follows that complex of jobs also. Very less of the projects are follows. Most of the projects are following the very simple jobs. The ETL means tool means very simple jobs.
And ma'am, one thing. So actually, to my TL don't know okay how to what is ETL and how to data migration.
Come to the class and learn the topics. You know
the
that ETLs.
Okay.
Come to the class and listen the topics, and you know about that ETL, and you should say that what is ETL to your friends also.
Yeah.
Thanks for asking.
Excuse me, madam.
Yeah.
Hello, madam.
Yes.
Satish. I have one doubt, madam. Madam, can you help me for resume preparation purpose, madam?
Yeah, this resume preparation also I will give the training to you how to resume preparation.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Hello.
Yeah,
Uh,
Anjan.
you told me that we'll be covering like a data warehouse concepts in this
Concept.
course.
Yes, yes.
So, what does it exactly mean? Like we are covering like a Snowflake schema,
Snowflake
star
schema,
schema,
star schema, and
and different
huh,
types of dynamic tables
yes,
and
yes.
factors as well.
Yes, yes. We are covering that different kinds of that Snowflake schema, star schema, data marts, topics, and SCD types topics. All whatever the talent require, all content we provide.
Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you so much.
You told me that you also told in the class that suppose we are migrating some table from example, let's take an example. We are migrating a table from MySQL database to PostgreSQL. So
Hmm.
uh, the table in the MySQL, let's say it as an employee.
But see, Anjan,
Uh,
see only
uh,
that who are
what,
that well experienced in the database side, those persons only will be able to do that. For talent developer, we are only develop the talent jobs, not for the migrating the database. We are not a database persons. We are a talent developer persons. So that purpose, the company require the database students only, database persons only. How to migrate the data, how to do that, handle the database. That's the database concepts. But for this, we are talent ETL developers. But we are don't know that kind of the work. If there are no
yeah,
employees, you that train KT will give you and we will do. Any
yeah,
doubt?
I got it. So anything that we are doing in the ETL process. So let's
No, no,
say
no.
I'm
Migrating.
defined with
No, migrating process is there is no need. No
yeah,
need.
I'm not okay. Okay. So let's say there is some table in some database like employee,
Hmm.
which has like a number of records.
Hmm.
So uh, in real time, like I don't want to disturb that existing table. So I'm creating like some dummy table and
Huh.
copying that record to this table, and
That
then
concept is there in this here.
I'm doing the ETL process. That's how we'll do in the real time, or how it is. Directly we'll do it, on a original
File
table only.
only. File only. Come fetch the file and do the transformations, load into the database. That concept's also available. Whatever you are fed without file, we are dummy data, fill the dummy data. We have 1 GB of dummy data, how to run the job, right?
Yeah.
For testing purpose. That concepts also will there in this training. So now already time is completed. Tomorrow we'll come to the class and whatever you are facing the problems and we'll solve it.